So here we're finishing up the last of the work. We're putting the gutters on the front here. We re-poured this front patio. So if you remember from the first video, this was sunk down. We've got a new, we re-poured it, properly compacted the soil, re-poured this foundation. So now we don't have a sinking front patio. We actually have, here's someone just pulled up to see the house. Oh, it's crazy. This house had like over 90 showings here in the first 24 hours. Lots of offers. This is going to be a very successful flip. We've got cash offers at $50,000 over what we anticipated, which is a pretty like perfect scenario. But thought I'd show you kind of how things turned out. You know, some of that success is because of the remodel and just all the experience we have with different materials and knowing what works and what doesn't. But the majority of it is just getting lucky with the market. There's no inventory in Denver, and so people don't have a lot of options. But we put all new kitchen in here, all new floors, new appliances. Looks like that person's not coming in yet, which is good. Here we have our finished bathroom. If you go back to our old video, you can see this is all new vanity mirrors, fixtures. Got a quarter bath here off the master. You know, because there's this door here and this vanity's over on this side, and inside the vanity's here inside the bathroom, that counts as two separate bathrooms, a quarter bath and a full bath. Got a couple bedrooms here. We'll head down and show you actually something up here I want to show you quick. We don't have fixed yet. We have ordered, but this window's broke. So we got a new, you see the glass is broke. We got a new glass coming on the way, a whole new window. But you'll see this is fogged down here, and that's because the seal's broke. Anytime you see fogged window, you don't necessarily need to replace the whole window. You can just replace the glass. But in this case, it has grids in the glass. You know, the X's just makes for a long lead time on, you know, on getting the glass. So we got on it right away, but it's taken forever to get it in. If you didn't have the grids in the glass, you can get the glass a lot faster, and it costs somewhere around like $150 installed to get new glass put in a window. So if you have windows that are fogged, don't spend the money on all new windows. Just spend about $150 per fogged window and just get the glass replaced. So here we just stuck an area so underneath this is the plumbing rough for a bathroom back here. Instead of doing that, we had the laundry hookups over here. We moved the laundry hookups to this side and just put a little spot in the floor to put a washer and dryer. We carpeted the room so we can count this as finished space and called it a day. So I hear someone just entered. I want to get out of their space so they can see the house. But, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next house.